Welcome everyone, you may be in a situation where your Xbox Series S has a buzzing sound. So we're talking about when you load up a game, you hear a buzzing sound for a little bit, or all the time the Xbox Series S console is buzzing. Now I'm not talking about the audio buzzing. I made a separate video on how to fix that. I'll leave that in the description. This is buzzing sounds coming from the actual console itself, not from headphone audio or speaker audio. So the reason why this happens is, simply put, your Xbox Series S is faulty. Now, that isn't very helpful if you don't know what you can do to get that problem solved. So there's a bunch of steps you can take. First of all, if you bought this console used from eBay, there's a chance you can't use warranty on it. And the simple reason why is because if you live in like the US, well, anywhere really, and the Series S is over a year old, you can't get warranty on the Xbox Series S. Therefore, if you bought used, what you're going to do is you have up to 30 days to return the console. Even if the seller says no returns accepted, because the console's faulty, you are entitled to a return. Therefore, what you're going to do is just return it if you bought used from eBay, stuff like that. However, if you bought from Microsoft directly or any other website, what you can do is you have a bunch of options. So if you have bought new and the console is under a year old, what you can do is you can just go to the Microsoft's warranty website and you can request a replacement Xbox Series S. If you find that a bit inconvenient, what you can do is if you can contact the manufacturer directly. So when I refer to that, I mean the place where you bought the console from. So let's say you bought it from like Target, stuff like that. You can just bring the console back in, say it's faulty, and then they'll give you a replacement directly if you don't want to go through Microsoft. Because if you go through Microsoft, it's going to take a lot longer because you have to send the Xbox Series S to them. Then they'll send it back, and of course that takes a while. However, if you bought it from like a store, you can just go to the store in person, say it's faulty, they'll give you a replacement. No problems there, no questions asked. Now, here's the thing, right? If your console's over a year old, you can't really use the warranty route. So, well, you can actually. That's what I was trying to say. So, you have a year limited warranty with the Series S console. However, you also have law. And law means you have up to 6 years of warranty, right? So here's the deal. If you bought from Microsoft directly, may not be everyone watching this video, but if you bought from them directly, you can use consumer law. So consumer law is only available in the UK and the EU. So you have up to 6 years, sometimes it's 5 years, depends on the country, after the delivery date for you to get a replacement Xbox Series S. So what you're gonna do is just want to contact where you bought this Series S from. As long as you bought it new and you bought it, from, let's say if you bought from like Game or something, you can contact them directly. And what you can do is you contact them, you say that your Series S is faulty, you want to use consumer law, and just like that you get a 6 years warranty. They'll replace the console, no problem. However, just keep in mind that if you try and use consumer law, you need to make sure you use the exact place you bought it from, because let's say you bought the console from, let's say, game.co.uk or something like that. You can't use consumer law by contacting Microsoft directly. You have to use the place where you bought it from. So just keep that in mind. Now, if the company's trying to resist that consumer law claim, then you can sue them, or you can go through the legal route. It's completely free to do. You're gonna have to look that up though, because most people are just gonna, give you the replacement, stuff like that. And once you've done that, you're good to go. Your Xbox Series S is back and functional. So that's everything to it. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.